The public section of the website is available by everybody, so you will find there some blog posts by our partners. You can browse them by name of the blog post or also by tag. So for example, if I'm looking for a 3D scanner, I have some news about Numeo, about other partner, Creaform. You can have access to the same catalog, but there you will find only products without any price. If you are a customer and you are willing to know the price, you will just request a quote to a partner. So for that, you will just send your contact information and the system will process it. If you have a VAR, you can also indicate the name of your reseller and we will make the connection in order for him to sell products to final customers. About the resellers, there is a full list available online. So by region, Americas, EMEA and Asia, you can check for the name of companies that can propose many complementary products to Dassault Systèmes offers. You can also connect with other customers in all countries because we have a full PLM user groups available online. So this is a good way to establish connection with other users. In the link section, you will also be able to get our news, connect with software community. But in terms of connections, there is a better way to do connections. It's to use social networks. And so we have a dedicated network around LinkedIn where you will find Dassault Systèmes PLM Marketplace online. You can have information about others, check for information about new events, or follow some discussions. So in this example, we have a discussion by a partner providing printing solutions for Matrix 1 and Enovia V6. So in this example, you have a partner, Coastal Logic, who's providing some printing solutions for Enovia and is willing to connect with customers. So here we have someone from Sony in Sweden that was explaining that they are doing this kind of stuff with printing, but they had some specific needs. So a discussion started with the CEO of this partner explaining what his solution does and what his solution does not. The good point is that another company here, it's an Indian company, and this guy is located in Dallas in the US. He made a comment explaining that he has implemented this solution on a large Enovia V6 and it's worked very well. So this is really the idea that we want to push on the PLM marketplace. It's that people can connect with other users all around the world and have information about products. If you want to establish connections in the group, you can first start by introducing yourself and explain why you are there and what kind of connections you may want to do. Or you can also check what is the profile of other members just by going on the member sections. And for example, if you can check the new members, so you have people from our partner, Geometric, customers, Mahindra, which is also an automotive customer, is a deputy manager, and so on. Formula One, or whatever industry. That one is in the aerospace domain. But you can also check for people from a specific company. So let's have a look on Tesla Motors. And you will find the technology managers, engineering tool specialists, project engineers. So it's a good way to connect with people. If you want to start discussions, you go on that sections. And for example, you are looking for user groups. You can make connections here. So that was a thread with Marc Indager, who is leading the French group, and also other groups on LinkedIn were present. So we have started and discussed all those groups to make connections. You can have a look on the job section where people are proposing jobs based on Dassault Systèmes products. You can also connect to our YouTube channel. So that one is very interesting because one video was thousands of words, and you have a really simple way to understand what partners are doing. So you can check for products by date, but also you can check what are the most viewed presentation, and this is a good way to balance what people like. So here, for example, we have view on this Fluent for Katia, Naval Architect, and so on. So you just click on a video, system launch the video, and you can also add some comments. You can subscribe to our videos also to get updated, and you can check for hardware or software partners or get some news about the program with our playlist. You can follow us also on Twitter. Twitter is a really nice way to get news about DS partners, so you get connections with people and partners with some links to their most valuable content available online in many places. You have access also to a mobile version that you can just put on your smartphone. And finally, you can access to the PLM Marketplace application on the App Store. So you just download it, you have some pictures explaining. So you just get this free application. Just go on the App Store, type PLM. Here you go. That's free. Take the PLM Marketplace application. Looking for composite solution? Just type composite. You get partner solution and also system prerequisites. You can just go on one of them, check videos, images, many informations, check the company. You have a short presentation including contacts, or you can go on any one of them and play the video.
This video introduces Simulate Advanced Fiber Modeler or AFM 50MV5 core.
And now you send it by mail. Just by hitting send by mail, you put your contact. Now you want to know what other things about those solutions. Just ask that question in one of our social networks.